Have you ever wondered how the smallest bird on Earth, the hummingbird, is able to fly in every direction, including backwards? This question might have tickled your curiosity, but it's only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the marvels of these avian wonders. Hummingbirds, with their vibrant plumage and frenetic wing beats, are a spectacle of nature that has long captivated our attention. These tiny birds, found only in the Americas, are not only remarkable for their flight prowess, but also for their ecological roles as pollinators, their unique feeding habits, and their extraordinary migratory journeys. The world of hummingbirds is filled with intrigue and beauty, from their diverse species and habitats to their intricate courtship rituals and nesting behaviors. So, if you've been captivated by the rapid flutter of wings and the flash of iridescent feathers in your backyard, you're in for a treat. Join us on this fascinating journey as we delve into the world of hummingbirds, tiny avian wonders that have captured our imaginations for centuries. Hummingbirds have a long history dating back millions of years. These tiny dynamos are believed to have originated in South America, a region still boasting the greatest diversity of hummingbird species. Over time, they spread across the Americas, reaching as far north as Alaska and as far south as Tierra del Fuego. The evolutionary history of hummingbirds is a fascinating tale of adaptation and survival. Fossil evidence suggests that early hummingbirds were quite different from their contemporary counterparts. These ancient hummingbirds, known as proto-hummingbirds, likely had traits that were a mix of their swift and nightjar ancestors and the hummingbirds we know today. Over millions of years, hummingbirds have undergone significant evolutionary changes to adapt to their environment and lifestyle. From their long, slender beaks designed to sip nectar from deep within flowers, to their rapid wing beats enabling them to hover in midair, every aspect of their physiology has been shaped by the forces of evolution. Scientific research has played a crucial role in unraveling the hummingbird's past. Through DNA analysis and morphological studies, scientists have been able to construct a detailed evolutionary tree of hummingbirds, revealing their relationships to other bird families and their diversification into over 300 species we see today. One of the most intriguing findings is the hummingbird's connection to swifts and nightjars. Despite their differences in size and lifestyle, these three bird families share a common ancestor, a testament to the power of evolution in shaping life's diversity. Another fascinating aspect of hummingbird history is their adaptation to high-altitude environments. Some species, like the Andean hillstar, thrive in the oxygen-thin air of the Andes Mountains, a feat made possible by their unique physiological adaptations. As we delve deeper into the history of hummingbirds, it becomes clear that these tiny birds are not just beautiful creatures, but also remarkable survivors who have withstood the test of time and evolved to conquer a wide range of habitats. Thus, our tiny friends have been flitting around our planet for quite a while, enthralling those lucky enough to witness their beauty. Hummingbirds are not just beautiful, they are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics. They are the avian world's tiny acrobats, able to hover midair, fly backward, and even upside down, a feat no other bird species can claim. This aerial prowess is all thanks to their rapid wing beats, up to 80 beats per second for some species, and their unique ball and socket joint, which allows a wing rotation of nearly 180 degrees. But these tiny powerhouses are not just about speed and agility. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem as well. Hummingbirds have a specialized diet, feeding primarily on nectar from flowering plants. Their long, slender beaks and even longer tongues are perfectly adapted for delving into flowers to sip nectar. This diet fuels their high metabolism, necessary for their fast-paced lifestyle. But there's a give and take in this relationship. As they feed, hummingbirds inadvertently collect pollen on their beaks and feathers. Moving from flower to flower, they become efficient pollinators, aiding in the reproduction of plants. This ecological role helps maintain plant diversity in their habitats. Some plants have even evolved to be specifically pollinated by hummingbirds, their flowers shaped perfectly for a hummingbird's beak. Hummingbirds also feed on insects and spiders, providing a form of natural pest control. They are known to pluck insects from the air or from spiderwebs, supplementing their nectar diet with much-needed protein. Their diet, ecological role, and flight adaptations are all interconnected, making hummingbirds a perfect example of the intricate relationships and adaptations in nature. They are a testament to the power of evolution, a species perfectly adapted to their lifestyle. So the next time you spot a hummingbird hovering at a flower or zipping through the air, remember, you're not just looking at a pretty bird, you're witnessing a marvel of nature, a tiny powerhouse, and an ecological hero. Truly, hummingbirds are marvels of nature. The life of a hummingbird is a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. These tiny aviators embark on a life cycle that is as fascinating as it is complex. Let's delve into this captivating journey. The hummingbird's life begins in a delicately woven nest, often no larger than a walnut. Within this cozy setting, the female lays her precious eggs, usually just a pair, which she will single-handedly incubate. Hummingbirds, you see, are solitary creatures. The males play no part in nest building, incubation, or chick rearing. Instead, the females shoulder these responsibilities alone, embodying a strength that belies their delicate appearance. The eggs hatch into helpless chicks, but they grow rapidly, thanks to a diet of nectar and insects provided by their tireless mother. She feeds them, keeps them warm, and shields them from predators, nurturing them until they are ready to fledge. Once the young hummingbirds leave the nest, they embark on their own journeys, navigating the world with their instinctive knowledge and the lessons their mother has taught them. The journey doesn't stop there. Every year, many hummingbird species undertake a migration that is nothing short of miraculous. Imagine a creature so small, covering distances that can span thousands of miles from high-altitude breeding grounds to warm tropical wintering grounds. These migrations are influenced by a variety of environmental cues, such as changes in daylight and food availability, which signal the birds when it's time to embark on their epic journey. These migrations are not only a testament to the hummingbird's endurance, but also a vital part of their life cycle. They ensure the continuation of each species by providing opportunities for mating and reproduction in different regions, thus enhancing genetic diversity. Despite their diminutive size, hummingbirds lead dynamic and complex lives. Their journey is one of resilience and adaptability, a testament to the wonders of nature, captured in the small but vibrant form of a hummingbird. Like many species on our planet, hummingbirds face threats to their survival. These small, vibrant creatures, known for their swift flight and iridescent plumage, are in a constant battle against a range of environmental challenges. One major threat to hummingbirds is habitat loss. With the rapid pace of urbanization, forests are being cleared, natural resources exploited, and the green spaces that hummingbirds call home are shrinking. As these habitats disappear, so do the nectar-rich flowers that hummingbirds depend on for their energy-intensive lifestyle. Climate change is another significant challenge. As temperatures rise, the blooming times of flowers shift. This can result in a mismatch between the arrival of migrating hummingbirds and the availability of their food sources. Furthermore, changes in rainfall patterns can lead to altered flower abundance and diversity, impacting hummingbird populations. Pesticide use is a silent threat. Many of these tiny birds are poisoned by pesticides that contaminate their food sources. These chemicals not only affect the health of hummingbirds, but also reduce the insect populations they rely on for protein. Predation is a natural part of the ecosystem, but in some cases, it can pose a threat to hummingbirds. Cats, large birds, and even spiders have been known to prey on hummingbirds, affecting their population numbers. Despite these challenges, efforts are being made to conserve these fascinating creatures. Conservationists are working to preserve and restore hummingbird habitats. They are planting native flowers to provide nectar and promoting organic farming practices to reduce the use of harmful pesticides. Citizen scientists play a crucial role too. They monitor hummingbird populations, contributing valuable data that aids in conservation planning. At home, people are encouraged to create bird-friendly yards using feeders to supplement natural food sources, especially during migration periods. It's a collective effort to save these winged wonders. Each measure, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of ensuring the survival of hummingbirds. After all, it is our responsibility to ensure that the enchanting hum of hummingbird wings continues to be a part of our world. Hummingbirds have left a significant imprint on our culture and imagination. Their vibrant hues and swift flight have been a source of fascination, inspiring countless artistic representations. They've found their way into paintings, literature, and even the rich tapestry of indigenous traditions. Their symbolic meanings are as diverse as their species. In some cultures, they are seen as tireless messengers of love, while in others, they represent resilience and the ability to endure despite their small size. Many indigenous communities view hummingbirds as sacred creatures, their ceaseless energy symbolizing the life force and vitality of nature itself. Hummingbirds have also made their mark in literature, their delicate beauty often used to symbolize fleeting moments of joy or the ephemeral nature of life. Through their presence in our lives and culture, hummingbirds continue to inspire us with their beauty and resilience. They remind us that even in the smallest of creatures, there is a world of wonder and strength to be discovered.